Sam, there's a war going on YouTube right now. Well, where's the subcount at?
Hold on, I have it open.
Supreme Zippo. No, that's not. What? No, wrong tabs.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, so what's the sub gap at? I can't read.
It's about 184.
How should we do this?
Let's get it!
So we should buy the PewDiePie chair. Alright, that's cool, Here, you use this. You use my V card to get the chair.
Yeah, no one will take this.
Probably not. Wait, is someone here? I think I hear someone knocking on the door. I wonder who that could be. Oh my god, it's famous YouTuber Mr. Beast and William Osman. Thanks for delivering my chair. You guys have anything to say?
Head to shopmrbeast.com or click the link in the
Thanks, guys. Bye. Bye.
Hey.
Oh, you have a gaming chair too? Oh, your
Dude,
gaming chair is
this?
Dude, your chair sucks. You hit your dog. But no, check out this. This chair really... Alright. So if you guys haven't figured out by the title of this video, we bought PewDiePie's chair, and we're gonna make it fly. But you know how we were able to afford this chair? Fortnite, our sponsor! Good job, Sam. The stop motion was awesome. Let's search this thing for the sponsorship. Cover your ears.
Wait, should I be worried?
Yes, you should be worried.
Oh!
So what is Fortnite? Fortnite is a massive online multiplayer game where you and 99 people jump out of the battle bus. Fortnite is free to play on multiple platforms, including Switch, mobile devices, and also PC. Love it or hate it, Fortnite is here to stay. Personally, we love it. We usually play solos, squads, duos, and the various other modes they constantly add to the game. So even if you do suck, you can play various other game modes where if you die, you can respawn and keep your stuff. So you're not spending 10 minutes running around picking up junk and then just to die and go back to the main screen. One thing we love about Fortnite is they're constantly adding new updates to the game. They even added a new biplane to the game where you can fly around and kill other people because this is an aviation channel. I love flying things. Every night we play Fortnite. I play with my brother Steven, he's in the army, and I play with you, Sam, right?
Yeah, I love Fortnite.
Anyways, it's super fun. We play usually on Eastern time. We play about 11 to 2 in the morning, and we're on the North American Eastern server, so we'll probably see you there if you do play. Don't send me any friend requests because I'm probably not going to accept them. I already got a squad, but thanks anyways. Check the link in the description. It really helps the channel if you actually do check it out. And anyways, Fortnite is free to play, so you can definitely try it for yourself so you can make up your own opinions about it. And I think that's it, and it's time to get back to the video. This thing is actually really heavy. It's almost like 60-something pounds. All right, if we're gonna do this, I think we need, what do we need, Sam?
More money.
I mean, that too, but what makes airplanes fly?
Demonetization.
No, that's not it. I mean, that's what makes our channel not fly, but what else does that? Oh yeah, wing. Okay, so I knew we were doing this project before we actually ordered the chair. If I can put these here. But we made these giant foam wings. Okay, so now we're done with the wings. Now we're back to the chair. Now we're at this conundrum of how do we mount the wings to the chair? I want to be able to sit in this for comedic purposes, so we need to still be able to sit in it, so we can't modify the chair too much. But I think we need to figure out where it balances first. And I think when it actually comes time to fly this, we're gonna just tilt it back because, you know, the aerodynamic qualities of this chair tilting back is a lot greater. So, I think it bounces about here.
Yeah, I don't chair.
I know you don't chair at all, but if you want a paycheck, you'll start chairing. Something like that. Alright, you can stop. Oh, that's a pretty significant weight saving. So I think we're gonna ditch the castering part of the chair because I can't really figure out how to put, you know, the wings on that. So Sam, I think it's your job to make a custom base plate to accept this mounting bracket into those wings for the aero flight, right? Sam, check it out.
Oh, that looks cool.
Oh, that's sweet. Where'd you get that?
I found it outside in the dumpster.
All right, I'm not sure we really explained what has happened, but I have basically installed motors. I've done some wiring. You've mounted some aluminum here. You've made this doodad out of metal and whatnot. So I think we need to figure out how to attach this all on. I think we'll explain it briefly after the plane review. Are you ready to test out the plane, Sam?
That looks terrifying.
This is the stupidest thing I've ever done, other than the, it's so, it can do this though.
Wow.
All right, I think we might have to try it like this because for all we heard new to the channel, planes need to be balanced on a very specific location called the CG. It needs to balance on this spar, so, very shaky. Yeah, that shakes a lot, but the problem is because these, you know, prop things are like swivelly because they use centrifugal force to throw the blades out. Nobody cares. Okay, so we finished mounting everything on. If you see, we mounted the booms on with some aircraft grade hardware. Not that that really matters because this is a foam board. And there's some duct tape on here. There's more bolts there. Down here, if you come and look, Sam, yeah, you care to explain what's going on there?
With the weldy boys and the wheelie goes.
Yep, that sounds pretty legit.
Yeah, we got some metal here with the wheels and then the demonetization lug nuts to hold them on.
Okay, that seems pretty good. We got some zip ties holding on the battery. So we have this for our center of gravity balancer. It still requires a lot of weight, but
I was
that's
touching it.
oh. There's not all the amount of batteries here, so we still have to do that tomorrow. What do you say we go to
Hey Peter, what are you doing?
getting ready to paint the airplane? All right, we gotta do this, bro, but I gotta put this design in this airplane, so hang on. Let's just I think I'm doing this backwards. Pretty good, right? Okay, bros, it's time we did our part, right, Sam?
Yeah, subscribe to PewDiePie.
All right, because we need to destroy T-Series because T-Series is a corporation and PewDiePie is an individual who represents all of YouTube, for good or bad. Okay, I'll come around to the airplane. Let's see, we got big old electric motors right there. They're brushless motors. We got our wheels. We got batteries. A 360 cam attached to a recorder. We have the PewDiePie gaming chair, which is the centerpiece out of all of this. And over here we have our right wing man on our right wing to defend the right wing.
Facts don't care about
Let's
your
come
feelings.
over here. And we have the tail off my RC cargo plane. Are people fast forwarding through this? They probably are. Should we just fly, Sam, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's just do it. Okay, it's time to send it, I think. The real big problem here is this thing is so heavy and the wings aren't very big. And the problem is like the chair has this giant like ramp here for the air, so the air hits it, and it's kind of like pushing my nose down and also kind of putting the center of pressure, which is up higher, is trying to pitch the airplane downwards. Backwards? Backwards, yeah. So it's screwing it up. Let's just see what happens. Here we go. All right, so controls, definite check. Motors, spin. Let's go. It's flying! Holy crap!
I don't share at all. Subscribe to PewDiePie.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh god, it's coming this way.
Wow.
I don't know about this. Here comes the landing.
It's coming in really hot.
Woo! Oh, it flies! Yeah. Yes. All right, we got one more thing to do.
It looks so cool though.
It really wants. Oh, it's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. Oh. Sam, what are you doing?
I'm getting my recorder.
Let me see that. Yeet.
Our camera was on there.
Oh no, my landing gear.
Oh no, my shoes. Look at this crap. We picked a bad day to do this. All right, bros. I think that's it for this video. We definitely did our part. Make sure you unsubscribe from T-Series. Subscribe to PewDiePie. Be part of the 83 million club. Is it 83 or 82? It's 83, right?
83.7?
Okay.
I don't know.
That's it. I really enjoy PewDiePie's content. Make sure this thing makes it to the subreddit, Lawai. So I hope this thing gets in there because he spent $3.99 in this chair. We built this stupid airplane. Oh, it would make my day if this were to make it on meme review. Let's do that. Okay. I think that's it.
Griffin, what did you do?